नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस अंडर द फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Matrix of a linear transformation. Let V and V dash be vector spaces over the same field capital F such that dimension V is equal to small m and dimension V dash is equal to n. Suppose that T is such that V tends to V dash is a linear transformation and capital B is equal to x1, x2 and so on xm, and B dash is equal to y1, y2, y3 and so on yn, or ordered basis of V and V dash respectively. That is, the position of xi and yi are fixed. Since tx1, tx2 and so on txm belongs to V dash, these vectors can be expressed as the linear combinations of vectors in the basis B dash of V. Let tx1 is equal to a11 y1 plus a12 y2 plus and so on plus a1n yn. tx2 is equal to a21 y1 plus a22 y2 plus and so on plus a2n yn. txm is equal to am1 y1 plus am2 y2 plus and so on plus amn yn. From these equations we obtain the coefficient matrix aij is equal to determinant a11 in first row, a11, a12, a13 and so on a1n, a21, a22 and so on a2n, am1, am2 and so on amn. The transpose of these matrix is called the matrix of linear transformation capital T relative to the ordered basis capital B and B dash. It is usually denoted by T, B dash or simply T. If the bases are understood further, T, B dash is denoted by T of B. Now we will see the question. Question is, let T be a linear operator on R cube which is defined by Txy is equal to 4x minus 2y, 2x plus y. Compute the matrix of capital T relative to the basis alpha 1, alpha 2, where alpha 1 is equal to 1, 1 and alpha 2 is equal to minus 1, 0. For the solution, we have to find out T alpha 1 and T alpha 2, and these vectors are to be expressed as the linear combinations of vectors alpha 1 is equal to 1, 1 and alpha 2 is equal to minus 1, 0 of the given basis. For this, first we write down a, b belongs to R square as the linear combination of 1, 1 and minus 1, 0. We have a, b is equal to x alpha 1 plus y alpha 2. This is x in bracket 1, 1 plus y minus 1, 0. Then this can be written as a, b is equal to x minus y, x. This is equation first. So x minus y is equal to a, that is x is equal to b, that implies minus y is equal to a minus b, that is y is equal to b minus a. Using these values of x and y in first, we get a, b is equal to b 1, 1 plus b minus a minus 1, 0. This is second. Now by definition of capital T, T alpha 1 is equal to T 1, 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0. This is third. And T alpha 2 is equal to T minus 1, 0 is equal to 2 minus 4 comma minus 2 is equal to minus 2 in bracket 1 comma 1 plus 2 minus 1 comma 0. This is equation 4. From third and fourth, the matrix of T relative to the basis alpha 1 comma alpha 2 is 3 minus 2, and in the second row 1 2. It means 3 minus 2 1 and 2. Thank you.